So hello everyone, myself Priyavrat and welcome to the Helpful Techniques again. So guys, in this video I'll be discussing about the emphasis of Campus Drive 2021 or like January 2022 you can say. You might be seeing that the Naukri.com I have opened, and generally I don't recommend to apply through through the Naukri.com, because most of the time if you are a fresher then may not you get that much of opportunity through the Naukri.com. But this time I'm going to tell you about this emphasis of campus, because many of the freshers candidates are like being shortlisted or the getting the interview invitation for this profile through the Naukri.com. So we have have information with us, so that's why I am I have made this video regarding this emphasis of campus. So please watch this video till the end. Other opportunities or the off-campus details are there, we are going to discuss about. So before discussing further, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will be able to get the timely updates regarding Capgemini, off-campus, Wipro, Swiggy, KPMG, Tech Mahindra, PwC, TCS, NCR, MDocs and all. And you can join also our Telegram channel. The link is there in the description of this video. And yeah, one more thing, recently Graphy is hiring for the role of backend development or the backend developer profile. So Graphy is a part of Unacademy, and it's a kind of startup company, and the employees are, you can say, totally 51 to 100 people plus people are there, or the employees are there, and the headquarter is Bangalore. And I guess currently due to this COVID-19 you can do the work from home. So they are hiring for the backend developer profile, and the salary will be getting 18 to 20 LPA based on your performance or the interview performance, whatever you know, your experience and all. So as you all know, in order to apply for any profile through this platform, so you need to register first, and I saw this profile and people are being shortlisted for this profile as well. So it's a very good thing because the salary package is very high. So if you are willing to apply for this off campus or profile, register for the test, then you will be able to register. So if you see here these are the skills required for this profile, but you can select profile for which you are willing to apply, because they are hiring for the backend development. So here you can click, and these are the things or the skills needed for the backend development, and book your slot now or the free slot now, and you can choose other profiles or the test as well as per your skills or the experience and all. So the link is there in the description. Make sure you subscribe or register in the their portal, so that you will be able to get the your opportunity or the dream job in the dream startup or companies in 15 to 1 month. So now let's discuss about this profile. So they're hiring for the trainee associate software engineer profile, and the location is available Noida, Mumbai, and Hyderabad, Pune, Chennai, Bangalore and all. Most of the metro cities are there, and 0 to 1 year of experience is needed here. And I have not logged in into my Naukri.com, so that's why I am not able to apply. Log in to apply or register and apply. The option is there. And the target audience on the batch are 2020 and 2021 batch. BTech, MCA graduates on any stream with basic coding language. So that means sorry. Any batch or any branch candidates can apply for this off campus. So if you belong to 2022 batch, no issues, you can apply for the other off campus. I'll be discussing in a few minutes. So the candidates must be an Indian citizen. Obviously you are an Indian citizen, and minimum 60% mark or 6.3 CGPA in graduate. It is not mandatory for the 10th and 12th. Remember this thing. And candidates do not have any backlog for participating in the hiring process. Candidate needs to possess the good communication skill and all, these are the things. And if you ask me about the skills required, mostly they look for the SQL and the Java skill, and there will be a written test followed by the technical and the HR interview. So the link is there in the description of this video. Go to the link and try to apply for this off campus before it gets expired. And yeah, if you belong to the 2022 year of pass out of the batch candidate, here you can apply. The MET University, MET Software Technology Private Limited or the MET is hiring for the role of Java developer, and the salary as usual 3.8 LPA, and it's for the Bangalore location. If you might be thinking that only the candidates those who are having good score are eligible for this off campus and all. It is not mandatory. You can apply, and you need to log in into your account, then you can apply. And I have not logged in into I don't have the MCAT profile, so I think it is applicable for the candidates those who are having the candidates those who have not taken the MCAT test as well. They can apply, I believe. So you can try this one, and if this profile if you are not able to apply for this off campus, no issues. We have other off campus as well in the in our Telegram channel or in the description for the 2022 batch, and you can apply, no issues about that. And if you are able to apply, it's well and good. It's a profile of Java developer, and salary is fine for the fresher or the fresh graduate, and the tentative joining date will be January 2022. And these are the skill: DV design skill, JSP, J2EE, SQL, and RDBMS concepts, and basic or the core Java certification is mandatory and all. There will be the screening round or aptitude based on Java, coding round, technical, and the HR round. So these are test for this profile. So I'll be putting this link as well in the description of this video. There are totally 4 links, and apart from these 4 links, there will be other off-campus drive details as well. Make sure you apply for the other off-campus drive as well. So if you have any doubt regarding this off-campus or any other off-campus, you can ask your doubts in the comment section below. So I hope you all are able to understand about the eligibility and the application process and all. So thank you for watching, and all the best for your job.